Yo, what's up, man? This video gonna be short, sweet, and to the point, man. Um, I like the way my skin looks now. It just naturally glows. Like I don't even do anything. I didn't moisturize my face. It's just naturally like that. And the reason for that is I've been doing semen retention, and this is No Nut November, and I will have to thank No Nut November for getting me into this, but that's just not the reason. No Nut November is not the reason why I'm in this. It's not to challenge myself. It's not to well, it is to see if I can do it, but I want to better my life, man. You know, I've been in slumps where I didn't have any motivation. Um, it's like I wanted to do stuff, but everything always fell apart. Um, and like I never could be consistent with any type of habit. So there was many reasons why I wanted to try this, and there was many reasons why it seemed good for me. So I'm going 8 days strong, and man, I'm not even gonna lie. The first day, my voice wasn't even this deep. It just came, and the stuff they be saying about semen retention and no fap is true. I mean, I used to get tired, and now I can get up before my alarm clock. Um, fully rested and start the day. And for the longest, I've been trying to do that. I've been trying to figure out what food I need to do, what food I need to eat to have the type of energy I want, and everything just fell into place after I did this for some reason. I mean, life literally fell into place. Like I feel my mind is clear. I don't have all these clutter in my mind. Like my thoughts are there. I can just speak my mind without even having to worry about a million things trying to come at me. I never really had this clarity before, and to be honest, I think my streak is 12 days, but I don't know. I feel like even though I'm on day 8, I feel like I've beaten my streak just because, you know, no fap calls it edging, where you don't look at like porn or anything. I haven't looked at anything, man. I just kept it straight, and I've just been, true to myself, and I feel like that way, when you're true to yourself, you just it's more beneficial and it helps you. So yeah, this has been great, and look, man, I know it's like what, November 8th or something, but look, if you want to join in, man, and don't just do it to don't just do it to for like a trend or anything, man. It's not a trend. This is real life, because this is something. This is the spiritual battle. Okay, the benefits and everything that you get from doing this is serious, and you need to take it serious, because your luck changes, your health changes, you become way more masculine. You can just feel people energy, and you know everything just feels like it's aligned, and your vibration is higher. And that's the only way I can really tell you. But everything, I mean, everything has been perfect throughout these 8 days. I mean, I really haven't had any stress, or you know there, of course, urges come, they come and go, That's what people have to remember. They come and they go. Just because they come doesn't mean you have to come, right? I mean, people feel that urge. Oh, nah, man, it's time to lose it. No, man, it's time to, put your feet on the pedal, do something productive, and get back to your life, man. I feel like if I wanted to lose it, it would have to be something. It would have to be after I got something, after I reach my goal, and I know it's a long shot, because I want to get a house. I want to get me a nice Jeep or whatever. But if I want to, be productive or be successful, that's what your nut is for. It makes you complete, and when you hold it, you're telling your body that you're not complete yet. You're still chasing for something. You're not spending your time chasing after women, because women would always be there. They're not going anywhere, bro. So don't come over here talking about, will semen retention help me get women? Yes, and they're not really that important. They will be there. Focus on you. Focus on your goals. Get a house. Get whatever you need out the way. Then come back, and I promise you, she'll be there. She might be waiting for you. You got a house. You got all the bills paid. She gonna go. Where's she gonna go? Where's she gonna go? If you sit her down and tell her, I'm trying to get this Jeep out the shop. I already paid for the house. I got it on lease right now. Is you cool? She gonna be right there every step of the way. So don't even trip about girls, man. They gonna come. They gonna come messing with you. You will spend your whole time, if you don't have your nut, you will spend your whole time chasing women. But the minute that you save it, they gonna come knocking at your door. I promise you. But all right, man. I'm getting off. I don't got to go to class or whatever. I'm in college, so last year, trying to get that stuff out the way, man. But look, that's my time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. And man, Positivity Corner checking out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.